If CapCut keeps crashing or showing an error when you try to export a video, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This is one of those problems that can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that in many cases, you can solve it in just a couple of minutes without reinstalling the app or losing your project. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and editing tips. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next helpful guide. Alright, let's start with the most common solution, which is turning off hardware acceleration. In many cases, CapCut export errors happen because the app is trying to use your computer's hardware for rendering, and that can sometimes cause a crash or a failed export. To change this, open CapCut and go to the menu in the top left corner, or click on CapCut and then choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Performance tab. Inside that tab, you should see an option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If that box is checked, uncheck it. Then click Save to apply the changes. After that, go back to your project and try exporting the video again. For a lot of users, this alone fixes the problem immediately. If the export still fails, the next thing to check is your timeline. A corrupted clip, an empty thumbnail, or a disconnected media file can stop the rendering process and cause CapCut to freeze or throw an error. Go through your timeline carefully and look for anything that seems broken or missing. If you see a clip that isn't loading correctly, try deleting it and replacing it with a fresh copy of the file. Another useful trick is to export the project in smaller segments. This helps you figure out exactly which part of the timeline is causing the crash. For example, you can export the first half of the video, then the second half. If one section works and the other does not, you've probably found the damaged clip or effect. Once you identify the problem area, remove or replace it and try exporting again. Now let's move on to another fix that people often overlook, and that is freeing up disk space. Video rendering needs a lot of temporary storage while the export is happening, and if your drive is nearly full, CapCut may not have enough room to complete the process. As a general rule, you should have at least 10 to 20 gigabytes of free storage available on the drive you're using for CapCut and your project files. If your storage is low, delete unnecessary files, clear out large downloads, empty the recycle bin, or move old media to another drive. You can also clear some cache files if needed. Once you've freed up enough space, restart CapCut and try the export one more time. So to quickly recap, if you're getting a CapCut error when exporting a video, the three best fixes are turning off hardware acceleration, checking your timeline for broken clips, and making sure you have enough free disk space. In most cases, one of these solutions will get your export working again. If this video helped you fit the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another CapCut problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.